So yeah, I got the USB breakout board. I have the 5 volts and ground connected to the relay coil. I had to look up the pinout on this relay. Just looking at it, what looked like the logical pinout was that you had the coil on this side, and then over here you had the common and the normally open and normally closed contacts. Well, it turns out the coil is the outside terminals on the 3-terminal side. So the center terminal is the common terminal, and then you've got the open and closed contacts on the opposite side. Okay, YouTube, we got the USB relay wired up here. So I brought those out. I'll have the blue wire as my common, and then I brought out both the normally open, which I have black, and then the normally closed. So I'm going to run these inside the fan. Okay, I think we have everything hooked up here. I've got my Z-Wave dual relay box here. I think I can turn this relay on and off. Yes, I can turn that on and off with this switch, which sends a command to the relay. Or I'm going to go over to the web page here, and I'm going to click the booster fan on. And there it turns on. And I'll click off. And there it turns off. Now, one thing I want to do here is check the power consumption. So here I have my bench supply. I've got the booster fan plugged in here into the upper power receptacle, and then my Z-Wave relays plugged in here. So we've got about 10 milliamps and roughly half a watt. That's just the power that the Z-Wave relay consumes just sitting there. It's off. Nothing's running. Now if I flip the power supply on, that's now running the relay. So it's 1.6 watts and 30 milliamps. Now I'm going to turn on the fan. Well, about 23 watts. So that's with the fan running. That's on high. And then the fan also has a low speed, 19 watts. I think I sucked something into the fan sitting here on my bench, but at least I know the numbers now. So yeah, I think I will get this set up in the morning. It's starting to get dark outside tonight, so I'll probably hook up the fan in the morning, just plug it back in, get the power plugged in, and I also need to glue the USB relay to the outside of the fan. So let the glue dry overnight. And then I think we're ready to install it and then have an automated booster fan on my solar heating system. So we'll take a look at that next.